Claude and CodeRabbit have opened up a whole new world for developers. You can now vibe code with Claude and vibe check it with CodeRabbit CLI. Together, they create a seamless workflow where AI writes your code and then reviews it before it ever ships. As more of us use AI tools like Claude Code in the terminal, one big question remains. How do you make sure the code is production ready? That's exactly where CodeRabbit CLI comes in. It brings AI-powered code reviews directly into your terminal, so you can catch issues before commits, pull requests, or deployments. Here's how the workflow looks. You generate code with Claude, just like you normally would. When you're ready, CodeRabbit steps in to review your changes right in the terminal. It gives line-by-line comments, flags potential bugs, points out security vulnerabilities, and even suggests missing unit tests or refactors. It feels like having a senior developer pair reviewing your work instantly, without slowing you down. CodeRabbit CLI does more than just point out errors. It reviews uncommitted changes before you push, lets you apply fixes in one click or hand them off to your favorite AI coding agent, maintains your flow state by keeping everything in the terminal, works across all major languages, from JavaScript and Python to C++, Rust, and Go. Catches AI hallucinations, sloppy code, and anti-patterns before they reach production. It's built for developers who are already coding with AI and need a backstop to ensure quality. With millions of pull request reviews already completed and tens of thousands of installs, CodeRabbit is the most trusted AI reviewer on GitHub Marketplace. Now, the CLI brings that same power directly into your terminal, making it the perfect partner for Claude Code and other AI development tools. The future of coding isn't just generating code, it's generating and reviewing with AI, all in one seamless flow. Would you trust AI to review your next commit? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI developer insights.